Welcome back. Have you ever wondered why your phone battery drains too quickly? More time, battery low. This one, battery low. You'll be looking for a generator to charge your phone. Don't you worry, I have the answer for you. Come, let me tell you. Number one, it is either you are charging your phone with a fake charger or a fake cord, or a bad charger or a bad cord.
If I heard you correctly.
You heard me correctly, not the top which I don't talk again.
When you notice your phone is not charging very well as it used to be, definitely your charger is bad or you are using a fake charger. What you need to do is get rid of it and get a new one. Number two, it is when you plug your phone, you know your phone is sweet to use. It's that time you know your phone is sweet to chat, text, make call, browse. No, it's bad. Stop using your phone while it's plugged. If you are used to using your phone while it's being plugged, stop it. You are damaging your battery gradually, and before you know, in months, in weeks, the battery will be totally damaged. Number three, when you run so many apps at the same time on your phone, you are overstressing the battery, overstressing the phone's CPU, and before you know, your phone will heat up and your battery will start draining very quickly. Stop it. If you're fond of using so many apps at the same time, stop it. What you do in this case is close some apps you are not using, concentrate on the one you are using, and your battery will serve you for a very long time. Number four, overcharging your phone battery.
What?
Some just love to leave their phone still plugged, charging when their phone's battery is already 100%. This is absolutely a disaster. It is bad for the battery's health and the phone's health, and even to you using the phone.
Hey! I
don't know where you want to get your 120% or 200% charge, because this has been programmed that once the battery is 100%, the battery is totally full and fully charged. Leaving your phone plugged while your phone battery is already charged is a big disaster for the battery. You are damaging the battery and you are shortening the lifespan of that battery. Number five, so many apps running in background. These apps are different from the ones you open. These apps, some of them update themselves by themselves. If you notice any of these apps, go to your settings, stop it, and let your battery breathe. Number six, if you are not guilty of all I've mentioned today, you are at least guilty of two. Number seven, if you are guilty of any one I've mentioned in this video, kindly like this video, share this video, follow for more. Thanks. You're welcome.